afternoon run training ko. Dito ko ngayon sa BGC guys. So ayan. First afternoon training ko to. Nakaka-drain. Nakaka-drain lalo kapag hapon ko tatakbo. Hihingal agad ako. I don't know. Masanay lang siguro talaga ako sa evening run training. Tsaka sa madaling araw. Pero push na natin. 10 km for today. You know I can think of, I have a drink of, you're my soda pop. Let's run!
Yeah! Wake up on your phone. Bahala dyan kung naset out yung phone mo.
Hindi ah. Dito tayo. Sige, una ka. Gilid lang ah. Gilid lang, slowly. Alright, 10 km done. 1 hour and 28 or 30 minutes. Not bad. After the motor accident, we're back to 10 km. Next training, 16. Let's go for the half marathon na. Ayun na yung mga Junakas ko kanina pa ko yung nakantay.
I miss you.
Oh my God, ang RT. Ay, ang ganda na.
I miss you.
OA. Si OA. Mommy's done with the 10K. I'm done. I broke another PR. I'm faster. Pabilis ako today. There's Ate Yegi. Hey, sweetie. Pahinga mo si Mami. Tapos na. Are you proud of me?
Yeah.
Are you proud of me?
I'm not happy with it. You're gone. Long time. Nalala kami ng nanay dati.
Okay.
Sorry na ate. Oh my God!
Aakitin na lang yung kahoy.
Wow.
TikTok na lang tayo.